is the complete structure. Now this is the main port that carries the product. The operator removes the main port a bit out of the pressing this thing. Now we can put we can put a pan, a bag where we fit the product. While in the course of crushing, you fit the product here. Then at the end, you put it a bit down here, and then this is the pressing chamber. It exerts a pressure that comes out. Then the juice that comes out flows through this channel. Now there will be a collecting like a pocket and one to collect collect the drains from our products. The drain that we can use to produce starch from it, and even the water has an alcoholic content that can go into alcohol if we want to exploit that with time. The main pressing unit with this arm that we have here, it permits about 2 people working, that you rotate it. As you rotate, you are exerting a downward pressure that does the pressing. As you are turning, it permits a downward pressure. Now I'm able to turn easily because it has no charge. But when there is a weight inside, you may need about 2 people turning like this. The more I turn, you see the pressure this going inside. It's a wonderful conception that we've made. Presses, the juice comes out, and then if you can remember, like the ancient days, we used to tie gari in a bag. This is not like that. This is more modern now. You press like this, the juice comes out. You can collect the juice. From the juice, you collect your starch from there. Then you have your finished product from the back. As you can realize, the pressure, this is already inside the pressure pot. I do it easily because we don't have a product inside. If there was a load inside, we will need about 2 people turning around. And you see the surface area we've made it is to make it have stability, that you turn it with no problem. Wow, and that is good. Okay. After the lifting, let me look at the lifting. After the squeezing process, when it is extracted from the bag, we need to dry. When we dry, it's just a question of you expose it to air, even sunlight, something that we are still working on making a drying system. There's something that we are still working on our automatic drying system, but for the meantime, we will use a natural sun system, natural environment that you can dry it on sun. When it becomes dry, this machine is designed to put the dry product here, and then we'll beat it into bits so that it becomes in powdery form. You see here, there is an engine here. This engine is designed to work without electricity, meaning that it can work anywhere. Now when you beat here, you have your product coming out in powder form. This is where we have to extract the product. There is a back and a receptionist that will place in. After the powder form, we may need now to condition it in forms of bags. We need a scale. Like when we say this is 25 kg, it should be 25 kg, labeled on the back with the logo of the company and everything. So as I was telling you, that is the point where we are, because if we start producing, we should be able to package them in bags. And with time, I was even thinking of if we can go to smaller units, not only 25 kg, not only 50 kg, we can even go out to 10 kg, 5 kg to permit the grassroots people to have a small quantity that they can use, because having powder from potato is something like that the villagers will be very glad to use. And then just to say, we have to put more emphasis in the fact that it's an indigenous product that we are producing and we are transforming. I think it is just but normal that the process, the project can be supported by any authority. And just to throw more light on this, I would like to say potato transforming it in powder form will be better conserved than when you have it in the fresh form, because when you have it in the fresh form, with time it depreciates. With time it gets rotten and whatnot. But if it is transformed in powder form, it can be conserved and used for a length of time. And that is the more reason I talked about the parceling. The parceling in such a point that the bag should be conserved in such a way that you don't have, there is no upstream contact with the product. In that form, it can be sealed and used for at least 6 to 7 months period, which gives a greater period that the product can be used. This is just a tip of, I can say, a tip of the ice cream, because this machine is multi-purpose. The same machine. If I had something like cassava, I can go through the same process. At the end of the day, instead of converting it to powder, I can convert it to gari. Gari is a stable meal that is gradually running out of the market because we are unable to produce at an industrial level. So, just to say, this is a multi-purpose machine that has been produced, and I wish that with their effort and everything, their initiative and everything, we will put everything moving, and we will make the village a better place to live, rather than going into the towns looking for a future that we don't have.